Hi, Deirdre Lane from Earth Clinic. Today I'm going to share Earth Clinic's most popular and effective remedy for gallbladder attacks: apple cider vinegar and apple juice. Apple cider juice and apple cider vinegar both contain natural malic acid, which studies have shown can thin bile and gallbladder sludge. Over 130 people on my site, Earth Clinic, have reported that apple cider vinegar and apple juice combo stopped gallbladder attack pain. Some people feel relief in as little as 10 minutes. Others take up to an hour to experience pain relief. For an acute gallbladder attack, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of apple juice and consume this over 30 minutes. Relief is often felt before the glass is emptied. If you found that this remedy cured your gallbladder attack, you might consider having this tonic every day, but instead of using 2 tablespoons, which is for acute pain, use just 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. I hope you found this information helpful. If so, please give it a thumbs up to show your support and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
Get it right.